Hi, my name is Raghav Tibrewala. I'm a partner at Raghav Polymers, Polestar, Bhavya Polyfilms. We have a group of 3 companies. We were founded in 1969 and we are the authorized dealers, Delcreta agents for Reliance Industries from 1992 for petrochemicals. Currently, we've expanded into a lot of other products as well as we are into 15 different products. We are importers, exporters, and dealers for Metlocene LLDP, PET chips. We are biodegradable films. We are pan India super stockist for Jindal Polyfilms. For the last 5 years, we are suppliers to Srinath Autopack and a lot of the other big converters in Hyderabad. We do PET films, BOPP films, and all kinds of specialty films with Jindal. One of our USPs is that we have multiple godowns across India. We have 3 locations in Hyderabad, one in Guntur, one in Bhiwandi, and one in Raipur, one in Chennai. So these are the upcoming godowns. So the goal is to add a lot of products and a lot more locations to give just-in-time inventory to our customers. Thank you.